Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Why, hello. What's going on, you guys? We are back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing a video on, you know something? I've been sampling a lot. I've noticed that. Like, my last 4 videos have been of samples. I don't know, sampling is just kind of cool. I kind of mastered it, and it's just, I don't know, I like sampling now. Yeah, we're gonna be sampling yet another thing. The sample is amazing, but I mean, I have it here loaded up on FL Studio, but like I can't play like the original one, but like I pitched it down or whatever, and I like chopped it already, and it sounds pretty damn cool. So we're gonna get into that. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and comment on videos I should do in the future in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get on with this damn video, man. Alright, so here is the sample I got here. As you can tell, it's called End Credits or whatever. Alright, so I'm just gonna loop it. So here's what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can see, that was the sample, and I picked. So like right here, I EQ'd it and did some gross beat, and yeah. These are some of the drums I chose. We're gonna get to atmosphere later. I'm gonna show you about that later. Just shows the synth bass. That's my synth bass from Citrus. It's called Synth 6. Yeah. Here's the kick I chose. My hi-hat, put some reverb on it, snare. That was for my Drake drum kit. Open hat. So I was playing around with this earlier, and I was like, you know, let me just put down the drums and whatever, or select the drums. So yeah, and the 808 I just whipped out the spins because, you know, spins is just reliable. So yeah, so I'm just gonna start laying down some stuff, to be honest. So let's do that. All right, so let's start with the hi-hats. I don't know why, I just want to like get a bounce going. So let's try. I've never done this before, but this is fire. Okay. That snare in the right place, shall we? Ooh. Alright, normally I would start with the synth bass, but we're gonna do that last. Okay, so let's now got the snare, got the open hat and the hi-hat. Now let's do the kick. Okay, this is yeah, let's do that. Guys, is this the quickest banger I've ever made? Or like, I don't know what's going on. This is just flowing too well right now. I might just start picking out the drums before I actually get started with the beat, because I don't know, it's just faster and more efficient, and like this is like damn near a banger so far. Okay, so let me just continue. All right, I'm gonna do the sub bass now. Let's see what I can get with this. don't think we need the 808, guys. I don't think we need it. Okay, so I got this counter melody that I have in my head that I want to put on the beat. So we're gonna try that out. So I'm gonna open up the FL keys, and I'm gonna go down this field for a whole bunch of sounds and whatnot. And yeah, let's freaking do it. Try. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this. Alright, so it sounds really weird right now, I know, but don't worry, let's open up Atmosphere. Guys, I think this is the best beat I've ever made. Guys, I need to make a visualizer for this. I'm not gonna just make an outro, regular outro for this video. This video is gonna have a visualizer because this like No, we're doing an AMV for this. If you don't know what AMV is, it's an anime music video. We're doing this, okay? Look. No, like what the This is the best beat I've ever made. Like I know I say my beats are fire, but bro, this is the best beat I have made in my entire life. No, hands down. Like what the hell? Guys, I'm speechless. Like I'm making a whole AMV for this. I'm about to do that, okay? I think the beat's pretty much done. I might even tweak that counter melody even a little bit more, I don't know. I mean, if this video gets any dislikes, you just hate me, because that, like, come on. Like, that's amazing. All right, so, you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna just arrange it now, and I wanna get done with this, because this is crazy. This. There you guys have it. There is my Coldplay sample, I guess, beat, or Coldplay pop music type beat sample flipping tutorial thing. Well, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That was phenomenal. That is my best beat I've ever made, ever. If you disagree, well, I disagree with you, because like what? Now I gotta make something better than that. Like, damn, that's crazy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. If you guys made it to the end of the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.